It's 11 o'clock, and I'm gonna be doing a 3am video. There's a part 2, because I'm doing like 3 different 3am videos. The part 2 is, fidget, and right now I'm making something at 3am. The next one is gonna be fidget, which is the next night. And the next one is doing the Charlie Bethel challenge. So yeah. So that means there's a part 3. And so that means we are gonna be watching 3 different nights. 3. So and it's so dark because everybody's sleeping except for my dad that's downstairs. Because it is totally 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna go to sleep. My pink light. Alright, so see you at 3am, guys. Yeah, see you at 3am. Alright, guys, it's 3am. Someone's awake downstairs, so we have to be extra quiet. I'm just gonna quickly turn on the light. Where's my flashlight? Can't see. I am ready. Here's my bowl. Let's start putting stuff in it. First, I'm gonna put my glue. It's clear school glue. Yeah. Alright, I used all my glue. Now we're gonna put in my Clorox water. Okay. It's not. It's gonna get pretty thick. But I still have different ingredients. Put some salt in. Flashlight was blinking. There's still some water left. Okay, I added in some different ingredients, so I have to. Let's add our regular water. And last ingredient that make it form. Yay! Oh, there's 2 more. But okay. Ooh. Let's put our foam balls in. Okay. Oh, God, so thick. It's getting so thick. Oh. Alright, let me get it mixed. Alright. Oh, it's so thick. Yeah, alright. So foam ball and stuff. And I put in some sparkles. The salt was sparkles. But anyways, here it is. So see you at part 2. Please like this video and subscribe and all that. And comment if you like this. And comment if this was what the heck? What is that? You see where my hand is? If you do, comment that. I just noticed like some sort of demon looking thing that's sideways. Tell me if you guys can see that. It's so creepy. Anyways, guys, so sorry, that thing is so creepy. Just go check out part 2. Bye.